Hey, what's up, everybody? We are here at Rise Hillcrest Apartments in Dallas, Texas. This is 224 units, and we acquired this deal in October of 2024. So it's been about 6 or 7 months. As you can see, we've already completed brand new 3-tone exterior paint throughout the entire asset. Really helps the curb appeal, makes it look really clean, help the leasing activity. We're in the process of finishing up all the property signage, landscaping, working on the pool renovations right now as well. So this property looks brand new, great curb appeal. We've just completed 2 different unit renovations, and we have 3 more in progress right now. So overall, this asset is on a great track, really performing well for investors. If you'd like to learn about how you can participate in opportunities like this in the future, then reach out to our team. You can go to our website, set up a call with us, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.